Say move, Grandma! Let's see how. Hey, Mom, once you go up, you gotta go down. Yeah, he can do it. He's 2. Watch him fall off like a jackass. Woo! Yay!
Oh, it was good. That was so fun.
Good job, buddy. Was it still wet? Woo! Come on, Mom. You can do it. Yes, you can. Come on. Mom, Kevin tried it off. Do it. If your grandkids can do it. Come on, Sarah. Grandma, 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 Grandma. No.
Oh, but you can post.
You can do it. Yes, you can. You can.
Sit down, woman.
You can fit it.
Sit down. Do it.
Okay, Mom, you can do it.
You gotta get down one way or another.
Come on. You can do it. No!
Oh,
come on, Mom!
She's gonna break her leg.
She breaks a hip. I'm gonna feel awful. Come on, Mom! Woo! This is the best thing in the world.
Do it!
Woo!